Hello and welcome to this eSafety support video. In this video we're going to take a look at the online training feature. This is available in the eSafety Support Premium Plus package. So here we are at the dashboard for a Premium Plus member. The online training feature allows the primary account holder to distribute training to a group of people, such as school staff, and keep track of who has and who hasn't yet completed the training. The eSafety support system itself will email each of your training candidates with a personalised link to the training course. Before we can distribute any training, we first of all need to make sure we have our distribution contact list populated. The distribution contact list can be found in the right-hand panel of the dashboard under the distribution widget. It's a very simple tool. So if we click on the distribution contact list, it pops up a window for us which allows us to enter new contacts. As you can see here, I don't currently have any contacts on my list, but I can rectify that simply by typing in their names here and their email address, and selecting what type of contact they are. Jane is a member of staff, and so you can see she's added to the list, and we can repeat this as many times as we like. Now you can see we've got a list of contacts in our contact list. If you need to delete any, it's simply a question of clicking here and they are instantly deleted. We will be adding a feature very shortly to allow you to import a list from a CSV file, which will speed things up a little. When you've finished entering your contacts, simply close the box. So now we have populated our contact list, let's have a look at distributing some of the training. So the first step is to locate the online training widget in the right hand panel of your dashboard and select the distribute training option. This takes you to the online training distribution dashboard. As you can see here, I haven't created any distributions as of yet. So to kick things off, let's create a new mail out. We do that by clicking on the Create Training Mail Out button. This takes us to a screen which shows a mock-up of the email that will be sent out to each of the contacts. So first of all, we need to select which training course we want to send out with this mailing. There's only one available to be here at the moment. That's the Introduction to eSafety for Schools, so I'm going to send that one out. This is the mock-up of the email that will go out. It will go to each member of the distribution list which I choose at the time of sending. I can edit the reply to address, the subject, any of the body copy in here if I want to provide some more information. Simply click in the box and add some more text. This line is not editable. This is the link that the system puts into the email to provide a personalised link for each candidate so they can take the course. I can also change the sign off and the from name as well. So once we're happy with the email, we click Save. Now that hasn't sent anything at the moment, it's simply created a mail out template for us. If we want to go back and edit it, we can. And when we've finished our editing, we can save that. We can edit the mail out at any point until the mail has actually been sent. In this dashboard, you get a quick overview of all the mail outs that you've sent. This column here, which is not applicable at the moment because it hasn't been sent, will give you a tally of how many people have responded against how many people the email was sent to. So the next step is to send the mail out, and we do this simply by clicking this Send Now button. So the first thing we want to do is select which type of contact we're going to send this to. So I'm going to select staff. You can only select from one type for each mail out. This has been done deliberately to help you keep track of the different types of contact. So I'm going to select staff, and here you can see my staff list. And we simply click to choose which of these we want to mail out to. We can select all or unselect all. I'm going to select all, but then I'm going to take Jason out because I happen to know he's on sabbatical for this term, so I won't be receiving his email anyway. So once you're happy with the selection, you hit the Send Now button, and this will send out the email. And here we are back at our dashboard, and we can see that it's been sent to 8 people, and so far there have been no responses. We can no longer edit the email, obviously, because it's already been sent. But we can have a look at the details, and that will tell us who it's been sent to. And as we can see here, currently none of them have completed the training. We have an option here to resend the email to anyone that's not responded. So that's something you might want to do to follow up in a couple of days or a couple of weeks, depending on your schedule. So let's go back to the training dashboard. We can leave this alone now, and you can go back to your dashboard and continue about your business. As a administrator, you may want to preview the training, and you can do that here. This will take you into the training section, but it tells you you're in preview mode, and you can skip through the training here to view what a candidate will see. And once you're finished, you can go back to the dashboard. So let's take a look at things from a training candidate's point of view. So each person that you sent the training out to will have received an email. And if we take a look at that, here we can see the text of the email we sent out with a link here to click through and take the training course. Now this is a personalised link, so everyone gets an individual link, so these can't be shared, and this is how we keep track of which candidates have actually completed the course. So the candidate is taken to the training course where they can work their way through the questions and the information screens. The training course will consist of a number of pieces of information as well as some questions that can be answered. When they've answered a question correctly, they can move on to the next screen. Some screens, such as this, have a number of options to click, each of which will have some information. And when they've read all the information, they can continue with the training. Many of the courses will have a suggested further reading section towards the end for people to go and find out some more information about the topic. When the candidate has got to the end of the course, they click here to see their certificate, which they can then choose to print out, should they wish. And this will log the fact that they've completed the course back on your account. So now that one of the candidates has taken the course, we can have another look at the distribution. And we can see already there that the responses have changed, so 1 out of the 8 people has taken the course. And if we look at the details there, we can see who that was. And that's it. If you get stuck or you need any reminders, in the help section, there is a section on distributing your online training, which covers everything that we've talked about in this video. Thank you.